Classes Agar Malwa. Here myself Adi Agarwal and he is my friend Advay Goel. Now we do the role about the doctor and the patient life. And here I make the patient and my friend make the doctor.
Okay.
So hello sir, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
So sir, at the last night sir, I am suffering from fever sir.
Okay, so please tell your activity, daily activity.
Sir,
What
my-
do you do to yesterday?
Sir, my daily activity is good, but sir, I ate last night sir, I ate some junk food in the hotel.
Okay, so you firstly, I would like to say that please put your mask on
Okay.
your nose because this is Corona time.
Okay.
And it is your responsibility.
Okay.
Okay, so you have eaten junk food. So
Yes,
it is
sir.
because of junk food you have any disease and you are suffering from fever.
Okay sir.
Okay, so you have to take you don't have to take some more medicine.
Okay.
You just take paracetamol tablets.
Okay.
Okay, and please take precautions. Do not eat junk food of outside.
Okay, but sir, at the
First,
one
should we
month
take
before-
diagnosis or not? Diagnosis must be.
Sir, master diagnosis is able to know.
Okay, so my diagnosis is I am physician
You are
and I am MBBS.
MBBS. But sir, at the sir 1 month before sir, I am suffering from sir dengue. Sir, that is the most prevalent disease. But
So
at the-
what precautions and what medicines you have taken?
Sir, sir, at the only all 24 hours, the bottle has started on my
Okay,
hand.
DNS.
DNS, sir. Bottle and sir, different type of medicines I have eaten, sir. But sir, and then
So what are the
after,
symptoms you have that time?
sir, and that time, sir, my symptom is, sir, my eyes is all full redly,
Okay.
and sir, my fever is very high, sir. My temperature, body temperature is very high.
Okay,
and
may you please tell what is your body temperature that time?
my body temperature is 103 above the 105.
Did you have taken your body temperature now?
Yes, I have taken. I
Okay,
have
what is
taken.
your body temperature?
Sir, that is not normal 90 temperature.
Okay.
But sir, that is not problem. But sir, in the dengue time, sir.
Okay, so you have any symptom of coughing and sneezing?
No, some is sneaking in my
Okay,
on
okay.
my neck.
Your throat is also
Yeah, my
congested.
throat is all
Congested.
uncongested. But sir, at the dengue, I have the very weakness on my body, sir. But
So you have to eat some medicines like this Leo 52 syrup because you have also the surgery in your liver side.
Okay, but sir, in the after the dengue, sir, there are very weakness of my body.
Okay.
But that when I treatment, the doctor sir, they told me that you should eat the healthy food.
Okay.
And so, but sir, in the
So you do
healthy
not eat the food like that gravy which have gravy and which have oil.
oil
More
things more
Yes.
not eat, sir.
You do not
But
eat
sir,
much.
after the sir 15 days, sir, in my head, sir, there are some brainy problems, sir. They are sir paining on my
It is
head.
paining,
also.
okay.
It is paining.
So you do not think more things. You have to eat brain tablet.
Brain tablet.
It come to you